This little camera actually surprised me. It is the new Dji Nano, and it's very lightweight, and you really can put this anywhere. This little thing can shoot 4K video footage up to 60 frames per second in D-Log and for flexible color grading and post, and also shoot 120 frames per second in slow-mo. This camera got a 1/1.3 CMOS system, which is gonna give you some crazy crisp quality. And what I like about that camera also is that you can pair these directly to some DJI wireless mic using the Dji Osmo audio system. You can pair these directly Bluetooth to the camera. So it have a couple accessories that come with it, and I haven't really used these yet, but it do have a hat clip that you could just mount this directly onto that and just wear it on your hat. The magnetic ball joint that you could just place this on like a flat surface, and then it has the multi-vision dock. So this is the main piece that it connects to, and you can rotate this either from the front or have this the other way, and it's all magnetic. So you can use this with or without the vision dock. So that's totally optional. USB-C cable that you can transfer your files to, and it also has a magnetic lanyard. So you could wear this around your neck. You could just pop the camera like straight onto you, and you don't have to have the vision dock on for this as well. You could just take this off, and you can have it like this, horizontal, vertical, either way you want to do it. And then you have a protective case. So one of my main reasons that I got this camera for is because so I can get POV shots in my photography. So when I'm shooting, I can also be recording as well. So this is the Magic Arm for SMALLRIG. I really love this already. I only used it once on an official shoot. When I got home, I just looked at the footage. I was like, man, this is so nice. I'm gonna show you exactly what I got to make this happen. I never was into like action cameras, but when I saw this Nano, I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try, because I actually like it. When I seen it on YouTube, I wanted POV shots, and I didn't want to do the meta glasses or anything like that. I wanted something with quality that I can be flexible with the audio and all that. And plus, I already got 4 eyes. And I also forgot to mention that this is waterproof, so you could throw this into water, do all types of stuff for it. It's definitely made for that because it's an action camera. You definitely want to invest into some ND filters. I got a pack of 4. It's a 8, 16, 32, and 64. Stop indie filter set that I got from K&F Concept. Depending on the day it is, you definitely want to use some of those to cut down that light. I also gonna show you some footage that I actually got on this shoot. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you how I actually put this together. I actually had to buy another separate piece along with this SMALLRIG. So this is a quick release for the Osmo Nano, and this just snaps directly onto this as well. It's magnetic. And it also has a 1/4 inch by 20 thread where you can actually mount this directly onto the SMALLRIG. So the SMALLRIG comes with 2 sets of ball joints on each end, and they're 1/4 inch as well. So one end is going to go on the bottom of the camera, and then the other end is going to go with a quick release where you can have the camera at. So one end is going to be like right at the bottom of the camera, and then the other end is going to be this way. And you can adjust this however you want it, depending on how you're shooting and everything. So this is how it will look when the Magic Arm is connected with the Osmo Nano and the camera itself. Oh.
My face though, because you know I be
Oh.
in the face sometimes. Oh.
Oh. What's even dope? That shadow right there, that reflection.
Yeah.
Look over here. All right. I hope this helped on how to set up a Magic Arm by SMALLRIG and how to use it for your POV photography shots. Definitely try this out. I'll leave a link in the description with all of this gear that I have and what I use to make this happen. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.